Hello students, in this video,
Exercise 11.7 second question, first one. Integral x log x dx. So it's a product of two functions. One is algebraic function, the other one is logarithmic function. So remember the rule that you have to use, that is I.ii.iv. I is inverse, L is log, algebra, trigonometry and exponential. Log is coming first. Log comes before algebra. So take the u as log x and dv as the algebra, that is x dx. Or if you are using the second method, I can take it first function, I am going to take it as log x. Okay, this is the first function. The second function I am going to take it as x because logarithm comes before algebra. So take the first function. So first function means you can take it as f of x as log x and g of x as x. So what is the rule? Integral of the first two is what you should do. Write the first function as it is, integrate the second function minus, then differentiation of the first function, integration of the second function. This is the first function, log x. So write log x as it is. So integration of x log x dx is, integration of x log x dx is, write the first function as it is. So how did we choose the first function? Using this order. So log is coming before algebra, you choose the first function as log. Integral of the second function. What is the integral of the second function? X square. What is the integration of x? X square by 2 minus integration of differentiation of the first function. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Then you write this x square by 2 as it is. Understood? First function, integration of the second function. Second function integration is x square by 2 minus differentiation of the first function, that is 1 by x. Then again integration of the second function. That means this term you write as it is. That is equal to log x into x square by 2 minus, cancel this x and x dx. So log x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2, integration of x is x square by 2. X power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x power 1 is x power 2 by 2. So log x into x square by 2 minus this, that's the answer. So whenever you have log, put the modulus sign. Log modulus of x into x square by 2 minus x square by 4 plus c. The second question, 27 x square e power 3x. Integrate 27 x square e power 3x. What is the first function? U is x square. isolate algebra, then comes exponential. Now whenever u is x square, that is when u, the first function, u or the first function, if it is x power n and if n is greater than 1, better use Bernoulli's formula. Bernoulli's formula will be very useful in these cases. When your u is x power n, use Bernoulli's formula. And if n is 2, 3, 4 like that, use Bernoulli's formula. So let us use the Bernoulli's formula. If you use Bernoulli's formula, within 2 steps it will be over. When to use Bernoulli's formula? When your u is x power n. When your u, the first function, u means the first function, if it is x power n, and if n is more than 1, if it is n is 1 also we can use. But if it is n is 2, 3, it is always better to use Bernoulli's formula. So I am going to use the Bernoulli's formula here. So first function u, I am going to write it as x square. And you write your dv just above this, okay. dv is the remaining function, that is e power 3x dx. 27 is there, is a constant. So dv is this. Now you differentiate here. u1 is, what is x square differentiation? 2x. You are differentiating the function u. u2, that means differentiate again. It is 2. Differentiation of 2x is 2. Once you get the constant 2, once you get the constant, you can just stop. Because after that it is going to become 0. u3 is 0. Now here you integrate this. Keep integrating. First integration is not v1, it is v. That's why I told you, write it here. Okay, the first integration, dv integration is v. This is e power 3x by 3. Again v1. Again integrate e power 3x by, already one 3 and this 3 will give you 9. 3 into 3, 9. v2, that means integrate this again. E power 3x by 9 into 3, 27. And remember the formula, first start with the plus, then you have minus, then you have plus. And the Bernoulli's formula is u dv is u into v minus u dash. You can write as u dash, okay. U, instead of writing u1, u dash, u1, you can write as u dash and u double dash here. That will be better. So the formula is u dash, because for integration we are using v1, v2. For differentiation use u dash, u double dash. Just to avoid the confusion, that's it. So u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3. It goes like this. You can stop here because you have only u double dash. So what you should do? Just multiply this and this. Okay, this and this you multiply. So you'll get x square e power 3x by 3 minus multiply these two, this and this. So 2x e power 3x by 9 plus, next is plus, multiply this and this. So 2 into e power 3x by 27. The question is 27 into x square e power 3x. This is the question. So you will have 127 outside. 27 into this plus c. So we can simplify this. So you will get e power 3x, you can take it out. E power 3x, 127 is already there, by 3 is common, take it out. So when you take it out, e power 3x by 3, you get here x square. Then on minus 2, x is there, e power 3x is out by 3, plus 2. E power 3x we have taken, by 3 also we have taken, so we have 9 here. Okay, 9 into 3, 27. So we can simplify this further. So it is equal to 9 e power 3x. Then the LCM is 9. 9 is the LCM. So we get 9x square minus, this is 3 into 3. So minus 6x plus 2. 9 and 9 you can cancel. So the final answer is e power 3x 9x square minus 6x plus 2 plus c. That's the final answer. So we use the Bernoulli's formula. It will be very easy. If you use the Bernoulli's formula for these type of sum, that is when your u is x square and your u is x power n, use Bernoulli's formula. When u, that means the first function is x power n, better use Bernoulli's formula. Second sum, third, x square cos x. So if you use the hierarchy, that means your i.ii.iv, the first function is u. Algebra comes first, then this is the second function. So whenever u is x square or x cube, always use Bernoulli's formula. And dv, write little up. dv, write it as cos x dx. Right just above this. So remember, you have to differentiate here. So u dash is 2x, u double dash is 2. Just stop. When you get a constant, you can stop. Keep integrating here. The first integration is v. Integration of cos x is sin x. v1 is integration of sin x is minus cos x. v2 is integration of minus cos x is minus sin x. So the Bernoulli's formula is integration of u dv is uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2. It goes like this. So remember, there is a plus here, alternate. So don't make a mistake here. You can put it here itself. So let us start. Multiply this and this. X square and sin x. X square sin x. Minus of. There's one minus sign already there in the formula. There's a minus sign here also. This will become plus. Yeah, 2x cos x. The next is plus. Minus. So there's a plus 2 into minus sin x is minus 2 sin x plus c. That's the answer. Where is x square sin x plus 2x cos x minus 2 sin x. X cube sin x. So again, let us use the Bernoulli's formula. So put u as x cube, dv as the remaining function, that is sin x dx. Now keep differentiating this. U dash is 3x square. U double dash is 6x. Keep differentiating. U triple dash is 6. Once you get the constant, you can stop. Now keep integrating here. Integration of dv is v. Sin x is minus cos x. v1. That is integration of minus cos x. Minus cos x integration is sin x. v2 minus sin x integration is minus cos x. So it will become plus. Minus is already there. Sin x integration is minus cos x. So minus into minus plus. v3 is integration of cos x is sin x. Bernoulli's formula we are going to use. Integration of u dv is uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3. You can stop there. So integral of x cube sin x dx is, just multiply this. So remember, you have plus sign here, minus sign here, plus here, minus here. Remember the signs, very important, don't make mistake. So u into v, multiply this, you will get minus x cube cos x. Then already one minus sign is there, minus into minus plus 3x square sin x. My plus sign here. So plus and plus 6x cos x minus, so minus 6 sin x plus c. So that's the answer. So 3, the first sum, integration of x into sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. First to simplify this, sin, you know the derivative of sin inverse x is here, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So we can use the substitution method first, then you integrate by using integration by parts. So put t as sin inverse x. So derivative dt by dx is, what is the derivative of sin inverse? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So the dx I am writing it here. Okay, the differentials we are writing it either side. So dt is 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx. So what happens here? This will now change to integration of, from here, what is x? We need x. So sin inverse, if you take it to the other side, it will become sin inverse of x. I want only x. So what is x? Sin inverse, it will become sin t. Understood? X is equal to, take sin inverse to the other side. it will become sine t. This is an inverse function. So x is equal to sine t. So wherever you have x, put sine t. Now sine inverse x will become t. I'll put the t here. Dx by this will become dt. Dx by root of 1 minus x square will become dt. Now you have to integrate this. It's a product of two functions. Whenever you have a product of two functions, you have to use integration by parts. Either Bernoulli's or any method you can use. We can use Bernoulli's here because your u is t, or you use the other method. I have just taken sine inverse x as t. Why did I take sine inverse x as t? Its derivative, you know, derivative is there. It is hidden here. Derivate this dt by dx. Dt by dx is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That dx I am taking the other side. Because whenever you have to integrate, you need dt one side, dx one side. So that dt by dx, the dx I have taken to this side. So now let us use the integration by parts here. So what is integration by parts? The first function I can take it as t. The second function I can take it as sine t. So that means integral of the first two functions will be the first function as it is, second function integrate minus differentiation of the first function, integral of the second function. So remember that. I'm using this is easy actually. That's why I'm using this method. So first function as it is. Integration of the second function. Sine t integration is minus cos t. Minus. Put the integral sign. Differentiation of the first function. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of t is 1. Integration of the second function. That means you already integrated. Copy this again. Minus cos t dt. Here the variable is t. So I put dt. So it is equal to minus t cos t minus into minus plus. Integration of cos t is sine t. That's all. Now you replace your t. What is the t? What is t equal to? Sine inverse x. What is cos t? We have sine t only. What is cos t? You know that square t is 1 minus sine square t. You know the identity, right? Cos square x is equal to cos square x plus sine square x is 1. So whenever cos t you know, you can find sine t. Whenever you know sine t, you can find always cos t. So cos t is root of 1 minus sine square t. So that means cos t is root of 1 minus sine t we have taken as x. 1 minus x square. Understood? So the place of cos t I am going to write root of 1 minus x square. I just use the identity here. Cos square t is 1 minus sine square t. So cos t is root of 1 minus sine square t. So that is root of 1 minus x square. Plus sine t, we already know it is x. Plus c. So that is the final answer. Minus sine inverse x into root of 1 minus x square plus x plus c. The second question, integration of x power 5 e power x square dx. Again, you have to simplify this. You have x power 5, e power x square and all this. This x square and all you have to simplify. So, you can write this as x power 4 into x. I can write x power 5 as x power 4 into x. Because you have an x square here. When I put x square as t, I can write x power 4 as t square. I have to put e power x square. This x square I am going to put it as t. So I need x power 4. When I have x power 4, it will become t square. That's why I am writing x power 5 as x power 4 into x e power x square dx. Now we again substitution method. Put t as x square. What is dt by dx? 2x. So what is dt? 2x dx. Okay, differentiation. But we need only x dx. So what is x dx? dt by 2. Now let us substitute all that here. Integration of, see, x square is t. So what is x power 4? X power 4 is t square. So it is t square. X dx. What is x dx? dt by 2. What is e power x square? E power x square is t. And x dx is dt by 2. That by 2 is a constant. I'll write outside the integral sign. Understood? X power 4 is t square. E power t. And x dx is dt by 2. So again, we have to use the integration by parts. So I can use Bernoulli's here. Bernoulli's because you have t square. I told you whenever your function u is x power n, when n is more than 1, better use Bernoulli's. Whenever you see your u as x power n, so use Bernoulli's. So what is the Bernoulli's formula? First you take u as t square. Algebra, this is algebra, this is exponential. So you have to take u as t square, and dv, write it as e power t dt. Now you keep differentiating this. So u dash is equal to 2t. U double dash is 2. Integrate here. V is e power t. V1 is again e power t. V2 is e power t. Now the Bernoulli's formula is integration of u dv is uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2, etc. So this is plus here, minus here, and plus here. So there is one half also here. Remember that there is one half. So integration of half into t square e power t dt is half, you take it out. Now multiply this into this uv. So t square e power t minus 2t e power t plus 2 e power t plus c. Now substitute. Your t is x square and t square is x power 4. So this is equal to 1 by 2. E power t, you can take it out. Okay, t square minus 2t plus 2 plus c. Now this is 1 by 2 e power t we have taken as x square. So t square will become x power 4 plus 2. The third sum, tan inverse 8x by 1 minus 16x square. So let us take this 4x as 4x square. Can you see this? So 4x you take it as tan theta. 4x, I am going to take it as tan theta. So I can bring the trigonometric identity here. If 4x is tan theta, what will be 8x? 8x is nothing but 2 times 4x, isn't it? That is nothing but 2 times tan theta. So I can bring the trigonometry here. So this will become tan inverse 8x. What is 8x? 2 into 4x, that is 2 into tan theta. 2 into tan theta by 1 minus 16x square is nothing but 4x the whole square. So 4x the whole square is nothing but tan square theta. Can you tell me which formula is this? The question is integration. Okay, we have taken, this is integration of this into dx. So we have taken 4x as tan theta. So what is, differentiate this 4 into differentiation of, what do you get? Dx. Okay, dx by d theta. What is the differentiation of tan theta? Secant square theta d theta. We are differentiating dx by d theta is equal to, I am taking the theta to the other side. So dx is equal 4dx is equal to this. So dx is equal to secant square theta d theta by 4. This will become integration of tan inverse. This is tan 2 theta formula. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a is tan 2 theta. What is dx? They have to replace dx also. Dx is equal to secant square theta d theta by 4. That 4 I am taking it out. Secant square theta d theta. Now this is equal to 1 by 4. You should know the property of inverse trigonometric functions. That is, when you have tan inverse and tan theta, the final answer will be theta. Similarly, sin inverse sin theta is theta. So here tan inverse tan 2 theta will become 2 theta. Yes, into secant square d theta. This 2 you can take it outside. Theta secant square theta d theta. The product of two functions, you have to use integration by parts. So I use that order. So algebra comes first. This is algebra and trigonometry. So we can use that first function as theta. The second function, take it as secant square theta. Now what is the integration by parts formula? Integration of first and second is first function as it is. Second function you integrate minus first function you differentiate. Second function integrate. So write down now first function as it is. What is integration of secant square theta? You learned it. Tan theta. Integration of secant square theta is tan theta minus. Now differentiation of theta is 1. Okay. Now this tan theta write again. What is integration of tan theta? Theta, tan theta. What is integration of tan theta? Please learn the formula. Tan theta integration is log secant theta. 1 by 2 is already outside. So integration of 1 by 2 theta secant square theta d theta is 1 by 2 into this. Okay. So we will have 1 by 2 outside plus c. Now substitute theta. What is theta? Tan inverse 4x. Very good. Theta is tan inverse 4x. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Theta is tan inverse 4x. Tan theta we have taken as 4x. Remember that. So wherever you have tan theta, put 4x minus log secant theta. How do you find secant theta from tan theta? Again use the identity. What is secant theta? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So what is secant theta? Root of 1 plus tan square theta is secant theta. So secant theta is root of 1 plus square tan theta. So it means 4x is square. You get 16x square. So secant theta is root of 1 plus 16x square plus c. So that's the answer. The fourth question. Integration of sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square dx. So again we are going to bring trigonometry here. Remember the trigonometric formula. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sine 2 theta. So put x is tan theta. So differentiate this. Dx by d theta is secant square theta. So dx is secant square theta d theta. So this will become now integration of sine inverse 2 tan theta. Put x is tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Dx is secant square theta into d theta. So this is equal to integration of sine inverse sine 2 theta into secant square theta d theta. Now use the property of inverse functions. Sine inverse sine 2 theta is 2 theta. Sine inverse sine theta is theta. So sin inverse sin 2 theta is 2 theta into secant square theta d theta. Now we have to integrate this product of two functions. So you have to use integration by parts. So this is algebra and this is trigonometry. So take the first function as algebra. i.ii. Remember that the order. So algebra, put it as u, or first function is algebra theta. The second function is secant square theta. So what we should do? Integration of the first and second function is first function integration of the second function minus integration of derivative of the first function integration of the second function. So let us write now. First function as it is, integration of the second function, secant square theta integration is tan theta minus, so the question is 2 times integration of theta into secant square theta d theta. There is a constant here. 2, take it out. First function as it is, integration of the second function, this integration of secant square theta is tan theta minus differentiation of the first function is 1. Theta with respect to theta is 1. And integration of the second function we have already written here. So tan theta into d theta. That is equal to, this is 2 times theta tan theta minus integration of tan theta is log secant theta plus c. So now substitute for theta. Theta is, we have taken theta as x is tan theta. Theta will be tan inverse x. Take tan to the side, it will become inverse. So this is 2 into theta is tan inverse x. Tan theta is x. So you can put that x here minus log secant theta. You know secant theta is x is tan theta. Secant theta is, you know, secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So secant theta is root of 1 plus tan square theta. So that is root of 1 plus x square. So put that here, log of root of 1 plus x square plus c. That's the answer.